Hi guys, so I've got two unboxing for you today and a football session. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and yeah, bye. Hope you enjoy. What's up guys, it's the Chetster here. I know I look terrible, I'm just going to change school and I've got a tiny unboxing for you guys, so hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, so here I am in my room. I haven't opened it yet. It's from Adidas something. So yeah, let's open this. Ready? Haven't actually seen it yet. So, this is the big moment. 3, 2. It always comes in wrap. Typical. Okay. Oh! That is good. That is good. And there's spikes. See, look, the spikes can do this to you. Sorry. Oh, these are so. Oh. I don't know. Yeah, that is good. Unboxing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tiny unboxing. Bye. I am gonna do shooting session or football session. Okay, it looks like I'm doing a football session. So I got some new football boots. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. So yeah. Ready? 3, 2. Haven't actually opened these yet, so that's pretty good. It's from Just Do It. Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1, and bam! Haven't seen it. I actually can't see it yet. Look, I can't see it. Look, ready? Can't see it. I still can't see it. Maybe you guys. Oh yes. Oh. Oh. Ooh, nice. Oh, these are cool. Oh, yeah, look at the design. So let's get in with the video. Bye.
Feel like I can't come. Big bottles, passing my ping pong. Counts like neck snaps, we did wrong. Like Kim K, couple me along.
So bye guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed my two football unboxing and the football session. So yeah, bye. See ya.